few days ago, Google introduced a brand new experimental tool that allows their AI tool to see what you're doing in your computer and assist you with your tasks. I'm very excited about this tool because it allows you to get an assistant that is looking over your shoulder and helping you figure out exactly what you need to do for whatever you don't understand. The tool is Gemini 2.0. It's their flash update. And I can tell you, based on my experience, it's a total beast when compared with most other models. And today I want to talk to you about how you can get the most out of this tool and how you can use it to streamline your workflows. I know that many of you are using AI already for most of your workflows to enhance them. And Gemini should be part of that. Right now, it's free through their AI labs. And we will talk about how you can subscribe and how you can actually start using it perhaps today. Now, before we continue, as always, I will ask you that if you like my videos, please like them. It helps the algorithm figure out that, hey, perhaps I should push this out to more people. And if you like the content that I'm publishing, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me get more credibility with people out there, and it doesn't cost you anything. Now, the first thing that you need to know is that in order for you to be able to access Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental, you will need to go to aistudio.google.com. And that's where you will be able to find this. This is not found on Gemini.com, and I will show you what is available on Gemini as of right now. So as of right now, you only have access to, I got a paid account and I cannot change. All right. Okay. So they have it available now. It wasn't available as of yesterday, but we are going to be going through AI Studio. And the reason why we're going to go through AI Studio is because it's free. I'm assuming that to be able to access it through the Gemini website or app, you will need to be a paid user. If you go through AI Studio, you don't have to be a paid user. It's completely free as of right now, as of today, Friday, December 20th, 2024. With that being said, I will leave the link down in the description below for you to click on it and go to AI Studio and experiment with this. But for now, we are going to be testing and we're going to be taking a look at exactly what it can be done in some of the capabilities. Now, we will go tab by tab and just talk about what it can do. So the first one is it helps you create a prompt. And we're not going to touch much on this because this is not what I want to show. This is not what I am the most excited about, but just know that this will help you create a prompt. You can include the system instructions and you can add assets to it, whether that is a file, audio, camera, or sample media. And lastly, you can clear the chat and start all over again. You get 1,048,576 tokens for each conversation. So that means the amount of data that you can input into that conversation, that's the amount of tokens. And you have some more settings here to the side that you can use. Like I said, we're not going to touch on this too much because I haven't used it extensively and it's not what I want to focus this video on. What I want to focus this video on is on the stream real-time system that they have built, which is truly amazing. And I would like to show you exactly how you can use it. Let's first touch on the settings on the right sidebar. So right now, the only mode available on the stream real-time mode is Gemini 2.0 Flash. Second, the output can either be, let me close this, can either be audio or text. I want to be able to start back and forth with it. So I will have audio and the voice. You can pick different voices. I will leave it. And then for the tools, you can use Gemini to solve complex tasks using code. And you can define functions that Gemini can call. We're not going to be doing that today. We can generate responses for function calls. We're not doing that either. Or we can use Google search to find information. We are not doing that either. all we're going to be doing is talking back and forth and letting Gemini look at my computer to be able to answer questions. So we're going to start the recording. Hey Gemini, this is Jesus from Hustling Labs. I would like for you to help me do some keyword research for my website. So my website is, again, Hustling Labs, and Hustling Labs is just a website that we have to promote our services. So we build no-code templates like for bubble.io. Right now, we're building templates for lovable.dev. We're building templates for bolt.new, V0, Replit agents. Basically, these are boilerplates that users can just go and remix and start using them as a starting point for their projects. The biggest thing that we're doing right now is we are trying to help developers, or no-code developers in this case, be able to launch their business in one day and not having to do the whole back and forth with AI or with the drag and drop editors, so they can go and build whatever it is they want and launch and iterate from there. Our prices go from about $50 to $300 depending on template. We have some free templates available as well. And
Got it.
we also build some plugins. We're expecting to build some themes for Shopify as well as some plugins. And same thing can be said about Framer and Webflow here in the near future. Now, it's worth knowing that we will be using SEMrush in my computer, so I will show you what I'm going through. What I want you to do is I want you to tell me exactly what I need to do in order to use SEMrush, because I had never used SEMrush before for keyword research, and I don't know even where to start. So guide me as if I am a complete beginner, which I am.
Okay. I understand that you need help with keyword research using SEMrush, and you've never used it before. I can guide you through it like you're a complete beginner. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Let's start with the basics. First, we'll need to log into SEMrush. Do you already have an account?
Yes. Pause for a second.
Sure thing. I'll wait. Take your time.
All right. So we have reached a point in which I'm going to start streaming my video, my screen. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to select screen because I want to do my screen. And we're going to select this one.
Okay. It seems like you're about to share your screen. Go ahead when you're ready.
All right. I'm sharing my screen. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see your screen now. It looks like you have a tab open for SEMrush. So let's start there. Have you logged in?
Yes, I'm logged in.
Okay, great. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a search bar that says enter your website name. Let's start by entering your website, hostinglabs.com. There, after you type that in, please click the Start Now button.
Got it? All right, I have done that.
Great. You should now see a dashboard with a bunch of different tools for your website. Since we're focusing on keyword research, let's find the Keyword Magic tool. It's usually located on the left sidebar under the Keyword Research section. Can you see it?
Yes, and I just click on it.
Perfect. Now that you are in the Keyword Magic tool, you'll see a search bar that says Enter Keyword. This is where you will begin your keyword research. What do you want to start searching for?
So to give me some ideas based on what I told you before, Hustling Labs, building templates and plugins for no-code tools and AI software development tools that can be remixed. And give me some idea of what I can start doing, researching at least. All right, so the system were awfully quiet, so I'm going to go back and see what's going on. Okay.
Based on what you've told me, some good keywords to start with could be no-code templates, bubble.io templates, Webflow templates, Framer templates, no-code plugins, and AI development tools. You could also try more specific searches like lovable.dev. Okay, it looks like you're back in the keyword magic tool. Now that you have some keyword ideas, you can start typing them into that enter keyword search bar one by one and see what SEMrush comes up with. Which keyword would you like to start with?
All right, so I started with the no-code template keyword.
Okay, you searched for no-code templates, and SEMrush is showing two results. The first one with 20 volume, and the second with 0. Now, look at the different filters at the top. You can choose to see all keywords, or just questions, broad match, phrase match, exact match, and related. Do any of these help you find more relevant keywords?
Let's see. So if no-code templates is not an option, what should I go for next? Or let me ask you, what are some high opportunities ideas that you foresee having high volume and low keyword difficulty?
Okay, it sounds like you're looking for keywords with high search volume and low keyword difficulty. Let's try searching for specific platforms first, like bubble templates or Webflow templates, and see what SEMrush provides for those.
All right, so I will go my own way, and I will just type lovable.dev, and we will see what it comes with.
Okay, you typed lovable.dev into the search bar, but it looks like you've landed on a different tool called Keyword Overview. For keyword research, it's best to stick to the Keyword Magic tool. Can you go back to that and try searching for keywords there?
I did. All right, stop for a second. I will tell you when to come back.
Sounds good. Take your time. I'll be here when you're ready to continue.
All right, as you can see, I went to a different screen, and the Gemini told me, hey, you're in the wrong screen, go back. And that's how powerful this could be. I'm just talking to it as if I'm talking with somebody else. And the magic of this is that I don't have to hire somebody to tell me exactly how to accomplish something. The system is telling me exactly how I can get it done. Now, from there, if I was a complete beginner in SEMrush, I perhaps will continue asking some questions and ask exactly how I need to do one thing over the other. I have used SEMrush for a little bit now. It's not completely new for me, but I can say that this is actually a really amazing tool that will help not only me, but also you master software faster or master any task that you have to do in your computer. We'll do a little bit more, and let's see what we can come up with. All right, so I'm back. Give me, what is this AI power that I have highlighted? What is that?
Okay, you're asking about the AI-powered feature that's highlighted.
Yeah,
That's a feature in SEMrush that uses artificial intelligence to help you find relevant keywords. It can analyze your website and suggest keywords based on your content and your niche. It's meant to make keyword research easier and more efficient.
Okay. So what keyword do you think I should add to the search bar that will help me find the best opportunities for my website? Let's see if he's still there. All right. So this is an issue, then that's what I was trying to get to. And this is an issue that I have been getting quite often. Again, this is all experimental, so you will run into issues. But the issue that something went wrong and you would have to restart the whole conversation because there is no way to continue. It's free, and I'm going to assume that the reason why it's free is because you're testing it for them and they're getting more out of it than you are. Nothing wrong with that, especially when you know upfront that this is an experimental project. With that being said, I believe that this is a game changer and that it can truly revolutionize the way that we do businesses and the way that we learn about anything whether that is how to use a software from the beginning or how to do math. I'm actually planning to start using it with my daughter relatively soon to help her understand math a little bit better. Or perhaps booking flights, finding the best option for your upcoming trip. Regardless of what you're going to do, I would encourage you to go and give it a try because Gemini 2.0 and this flash experiment is definitely game changer. And if we go back to a Gemini app, um, to assume that they don't have, let's see, yeah, they don't have a way for you to share images or not images, for you to share your screen here. And that is something that is available to Google AI Studio. So I encourage you to give it a good old try and let me know what you think down in the comments below. I would really appreciate if you can tell me anything that you learned in the same process as you, trying to learn these tools and trying to get the most out of it. So if you discover something I don't know, please let me know down in the comments below. That would be really helpful. And perhaps I can create a video to let everybody else know about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And again, like and subscribe.